Alright guys, I've moved spots and I've got the buzzbait on. I have no trailer on this buzzbait, so if one tries to eat it, I'm probably going to lose it. I'm standing on a beaver dam. Let's get to fishing. That was a hit. Don't have that trailer hook. Damn. That was a hit. He went after the legs. There he is. No! No! Guys, no! Oh my gosh, my rod! I got the fish, but my... Got him on this buzzbait here. Try to be decent 2-pounder. There we go. First one of the day. But my rod broke. Ugh! Damn! That makes me so mad. Alright, well, you can head back in there, buddy. Oh man, I'm gonna see if I can get a replacement on this. That makes me so mad. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Snapped right off. I mean, it's just the tip. It's not a huge problem. I can probably just cut this part off and just keep fishing. Alright, well, I got a fish on the buzzbait. We may be on to something here. So, let's see what else we can get done. Alright guys, I've started punching the pads now. Just throwing it in these open holes. This, what is this called? A jackal. No, it's not. Missile Baits Destroyer, that's what it is. And I'm just throwing in the open holes here. And hopefully we find an area where there's a good amount of bass. There's one. There's one. Punching the pads.
Oh, I saw that. I'm gonna go there right now. Where?
There we go. There's another 2-pounder.
Oh, I want to catch a bass so bad right now.
Oh yeah.
What did you catch it on?
Creature bait. Punching.
Think a frog would work?
I don't know.
What did you catch it?
Right down there.
Pads?
Yeah, in an open hole. There we go. All right, maybe not a 2-pounder, but that's a decent one. Maybe 1.5. Second fish of the day. Punching the pads, just looking for these open holes. All right, we'll wait for the wind to stop. So just punching the pads, looking for those open holes, and yeah, decent fish. Second good fish of the day. Came out of nowhere. I saw him eat it. Let's get the release. There he goes. Nice fish. Now it's on the Destroyer by Missile Baits. Alright guys, that'll finish off today for me. My GoPro is about to die. I just saw a giant bass right here. Not giant, maybe like 3 pounds. He was just chilling here, and I'm gonna walk down. He got scared away. So my GoPro is gonna die. So I'd like to thank you all for watching and sticking with me through these videos that haven't been me catching fish. I'm gonna try to record a lot more, and I'll just be like pushing out videos for you guys. So that'll be it for today, and if I catch anything else, you'll see it on my Instagram. So guys, I'll see you next time on Bass Bites Fishing. See ya.